A few years ago, in a consulting company, something strange kept happening. Decisions meetings were packed with spreadsheets on screens, numbers everywhere, and people confident in their own interpretations. One team said the client should expand. Another insisted costs needed to be cut. Someone else believed marketing was the real issue. So everyone was basically looking at the same data, yet everyone was seeing something different. The meeting stretched for hours, not because the problem was complex, but because the data was not clear. What the company realized later was surprisingly very simple. The issue was never the data, it was how the data was being presented. Spreadsheets showed numbers, but they didn't show pattern. Reports showed detail, but they didn't show relationship. So without clarity, decisions slowed down, confidence dropped, and opportunities slipped away. Businesses didn't need more data, they needed visibility. This is exactly where tools like Power BI changed everything. Power BI doesn't just display data, it turns raw number into visual stories. It helps teams see trend instantly, understand relationship, and align on insight instead of just assumptions. That's why today Power BI skills are just no longer optional, they are essential across industries, from analytics and consulting to marketing and leadership roles. Keeping this growing demand for clarity and data-driven decisions in mind, SkilluP by Simplilearn offers a free Microsoft Power BI course for beginners, designed for anyone who wants to understand data without getting overwhelmed. This course is powered by Microsoft, which already sets a strong foundation in terms of credibility and real-world relevance. Meaning you're just not learning Power BI theoretically, you're learning it the way professionals actually use it at work. The course is completely self-paced and includes around 6 hours of structured video lessons, giving you 90 days of access so you can learn comfortably alongside college, internship, or work. It starts from the absolute basics, explaining what Power BI is and how it fits into business intelligence ecosystem, and then gradually moves into more practical concepts like data modeling, filtering, grouping, and working with relationships between data sets. So basically, the learning curve is smooth. You're never thrown into complexity without the context. As you move ahead, the course introduces DAX functions, which are essential for performing calculation and creating meaningful insights in Power BI. You will understand how data flows behind the scene, how models are built, and how raw data transform into interactive dashboards. Looking at this practically, these are the exact skills used by data analysts, Power BI professionals, and reporting team to answer real business questions. Now coming to one of the strongest part of this course, that it focuses on hands-on learning. You don't just watch dashboards being built, you actually learn how to create them yourselves. From designing Power BI dashboard to understanding services and components, this course helps you see patterns, trends, and insights clearly instead of just starting at row and columns. And this is exactly where this Power BI course truly stands apart from traditional spreadsheets. By the end of this course, you will receive a completion certificate that you can share it on LinkedIn or with recruiters, which adds value, especially if you're a student, freshers, or someone planning a transition into analytics or business intelligence roles. More importantly, you walk away with skills that help you present data with confidence, communicate insight clearly, and support better decisions. In today's market, where businesses are growing fast but attention spans are shrinking, the ability to tell a clear data story is powerful. This free Power BI course from Simplilearn SkilluP gives you a strong practical starting point, helping you move from confusion to clarity and from numbers to insight. So what are you waiting for? Go check out the link in the description and start your Power BI career today. Thank you and see you in the next video.